Oracle service contracts in a nutshell. So let's understand a number of functionalities of Oracle service contracts by taking certain practical examples for our easy understanding. So you can use Oracle service contracts for creating a service agreement. For instance, you've got a second-hand car and you would like to get it serviced from time to time. So for that, you simply go to a car dealer and get a service agreement signed with the car dealer, and as a part of the service agreement, the car dealer will provide you every 3 months service, and which will include free labor plus changing of your car oil. So that's like a service agreement, and what I've just detailed you was the scope of that service agreement. And the 2 years service agreement will cost you, let's say, $4,000. So there is an amount pertaining to service agreement as well. So that particular service agreement can be created by the car dealer in Oracle service contracts module, and one can define the scope of that service agreement, and an invoice can be generated via Oracle service contracts module in receivables and can be charged to you or the customer, and then you can pay that invoice. And whenever you go back to the car dealer for getting your car service, the first thing their customer representatives will do is simply log in to Oracle service contract and check your entitlement to make sure you are covered as a part of the service agreement or not, and if yes, then what are the scope of the services that they're going to provide you free of cost and the services that they're going to provide you on a paid basis. So that's one example. The second place where you can potentially use service contract is for the coverage of standard warranties and extended warranties. Let's take the same example of a car. You bought a new car and it comes with a standard warranty of 3 years, and that would cover free servicing and 50% discount on labor and free oil change, free oil filter, and so on. So here the main product is the car, and what you're getting in free is the standard warranty, plus its scope is free servicing, 50% discount on labor, and then free changing of oil and filter. So all that can be defined in conjunction with Oracle Order Management and service contracts. So the order for your purchase of car will be booked in Order Management module, but then as soon as the order gets booked, picked, and shipped to you, a service contract would be automatically created in Oracle Service Contracts module for the warranty that comes with your newly purchased car. And whenever you go back to the dealer for your car servicing, again their customer sales reps can quickly log into Oracle Service Contracts module and can check your entitlement in terms of the scope of coverage that you have, and based on that they can provide you the services, and again based on that, if at all they want to charge you, they can charge you accordingly. On the same lines, you can purchase extended warranty. So let's say you have purchased a brand new car and you've used it for 3 years duration, utilized the standard warranty, you're pretty happy with your car and you would still like to use it instead of selling it and buying a new car. So at that point of time, to be on safe side, you would like to go for an extended warranty, so that if anything happens to your car on road, then you can call up the dealer and get his services. Also, from time to time, you can go to the dealer and get your car service for free. So for that, you got to purchase an extended warranty. But a standard warranty usually comes free as a part of your product purchase, but extended warranty doesn't come free of cost. And at that point of time, you go back to the dealer and dealer sells you the extended warranty. So you pay, let's say, $2,000 to purchase an extended warranty for 2 years for your ongoing use of the car. Again, as a part of the extended warranty, the scope would include regular servicing in every 6 months and regular oil and filter change, and say 40% discount on the labor provided to you as a part of the service of your car. So all that is scope of your extended warranty. Also, the dealer can define the exact days and timings on which you can get your car to their location to get it serviced as a part of extended warranty, such as, say, you should always bring your car between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. between Monday to Friday. But if you don't bring it during this time, if you bring it during outside the office hours time, then you would be charged 50% extra than the regular charge. So all that can be defined as a part of Oracle Service Contracts module, wherein you can define the extended warranty scope. The third way you can use service contract is for purchasing software subscription. So for instance, you want to purchase Microsoft 365 for a duration of 12 months, and Microsoft provides the 365 product as a part of their cloud subscription, and you pay Microsoft every month for that subscription. But before starting the subscription, you've got to sign a contract with Microsoft, and that's where the service contracts comes into picture. So the service contract in this case would be signed up for a software subscription for accessing Microsoft 365 in a cloud for a period of 12 months, wherein the invoice will have to be paid in advance on a monthly basis. So what are all this? Here you've got the product as Microsoft 365, and the invoice terms are paid in advance, then the duration is 1 year, and you can access the software in a cloud. So all that subscription related details can as well be defined in service contracts. So what we have just spoken was about creation of the new contracts in service contracts module, but you can also leverage service contracts for their renewals and termination of existing contracts. A number of other examples I have listed down over here. Few of them I have discussed with you already. For example, like purchasing a brand new car and get a standard warranty. So the standard warranty is nothing but a service contract. One can create it in service contract module. Purchasing of a car can be a sales order, which can be created in order management module. So order management works in integration with service contracts module to not only create the sales order and associated invoice, but also to create a standard warranty pertaining to that car. And the car which got purchased or the item which got sold will always have an instance, and that instance or unique instance of that item can be tracked in what you call as install base module. So when you log into install base module, you can query a particular item instance by a sales order, by its serial number, or by a service contract number associated with that particular item. So it's like one can track the history of item which is being sold in install base. Now, as I said, the standard warranty would be created automatically, but you've got to remember that standard warranty one cannot create manually in service contracts module, and it must always be associated with a saleable item. On the contrary, you can create an extended warranty service contract in service contract module, and that can be invoiced via receivables module. So there are two ways one can create an extended warranty. You can directly create it in order management module as a sales order line, which is attached to the item which you have previously sold, and then you can invoice the extended warranty via receivables module. That is one way. Second way is you can directly go in service contract module and create a new service contract for the extended warranty, and the invoice will be generated automatically from the receivables module via an integration between service contracts and receivables. So I'm going to show you a little while later about how one can create a sales order for extended warranty in order management module, and how a contract gets generated automatically in service contracts module for that extended warranty, and how one can create an invoice automatically in receivables module for that sold extended warranty. Then likewise, just like car, you can also sell a computer desktop with extended warranty, and customer while purchasing the desktop, he can as well go for purchasing an extended warranty for the computer. So all that can be done. So in this case, all you've got to do it is you've got to create two sales order line, one for the item itself, which will automatically create a standard warranty service contract in service contracts module, and the second line you've got to create for the extended warranty, and that would create a separate service contract in service contracts module. But when it comes to the invoice generation, you will have only one invoice which will contain details of the item purchase plus the purchasing of extended warranty. Then, as I've explained, you can also create a service contract for a software subscription in cloud, and you can define your invoicing terms and payment terms in advance. Purchasing a counter-based subscription for photocopying on Xerox machines in Warehouse Stationery Limited. So that's like another example wherein you can create a service contract which is based on usage of a specific product. For instance, you want to say every photocopy done on Xerox machine will cost 10 cents to the customer. And for that, as and when the customer uses Xerox machine for purchasing the photocopying, you can track that and then charge the customer accordingly based on these terms defined as a part of your service contract. So these are the different examples one can use the service contract. Now let's go into Oracle applications, and I will show you how I have created a sales order for this particular scenario wherein I have sold a computer desktop through order management sales order, and then I've added an extra line for extended warranty. So we will see the invoice being generated. We will also see the service contracts got generated automatically for standard warranty and extended warranty, and then we will go to the install base module to understand how one can track this particular item and the sold extended warranty in it. Okay, so I'm going to minimize this, and then I will go to Oracle applications, and here I will log in as a user mchopper, password welcome. I'll hit the login button, and then I will simply navigate to order management responsibility to show you the order. So order management super user vision operations USA, and then I will navigate to orders, returns, and then sales orders, which will open a reform space UI. Okay, and now it will open a sales order entry form, and here I'm gonna query an existing sales order that I have created. There you go. And here let's go to the lines to show you the details, and as you could see, I have created a sales order for a Envoy Deluxe laptop. So it's a laptop, not a desktop, but the quantity which is sold is 1, and then it comes with a year of standard warranty. Okay, at the same time I have also created another line for extended notebook PC service program, so which is an extended warranty for 1 year. I sold it to the customer along with the purchase of this particular desktop. So if you would like to see the invoice generated from these sales order lines, one can view it right here by going to actions and additional line information, and then navigating to invoices credit memos tab and going to invoice details button, which will open a form and show you the details of the invoice being generated. So that's the invoice generated automatically, and if you go to the line items, you will see the details of the items being invoiced to the customer. So as per the order, both the standard item as well as the extended warranty got invoiced in just one invoice. Alright, so that's the invoice part. Now I'm going to close this, and now I will go to service contracts, and I will show you the two service contracts that got generated automatically. One for the standard warranty which came with the product itself, and second is for the extended warranty. Okay, so we'll copy the order number, and I'm going to close this window. I will switch the window, and I will go to responsibility called as Service Contracts Manager Vision Enterprises, hit the OK button, and then I will navigate to Contract Administration, contract search, hit the open button, and within that one I will search by the order number. So this is nothing but the sales order number that I have just shown you, and then hit the go button. And as you could see, there are two contracts which are generated over here. First contract, the amount is of 0 value because it's standard warranty. It has come as a complementary with the item purchase. The second one is nothing but the extended warranty, which is what we sold it for $420, but the amount here is also including the tax amount. So let's go to the first contract and view a couple of more details out there. So you can see this is a type of warranty and the item associated with it, and you can see the related document, and you would be able to see the sales order number over here, and as you could see the duration of this standard warranty. Okay, now I will go to the second one, which is the extended warranty, and here you would be able to see the amount is $420 and the tax is $37.80 and the total is $457.80. Okay, and this is the item associated with the extended warranty, and you can optionally define the renewal credentials while you are booking the sales order. So in the sales order lines form itself, there is a place wherein you can define the renewal details for your service contract. So next time when you come to the service contract, those renewal details will be populated here automatically, and when this current service contract is about to expire, then there could be a renewal notification automatically sent to the salesperson or the customer based on how you have defined your renewal rules. Alright, and here you can see the related document as the sales order number that we have just booked. So that's service contracts, and if you would like to see more details about this service contracts in a Forms UI, you can straight away go from here by hitting the open button, which will open the Forms UI for the same service contract, and you can navigate right from here, as you could see. So these are the details of the product. So the item that we sold was a bomb, and within that bomb you've got multiple component items. So here what you see are those components items which are covered as a part of your extended warranty. Okay, now here I'm going to close this form, and then I will switch and go to install base responsibility, and there I will show you the details pertaining to the item instance which has been sold and how one can track it in install base. So within that one, you choose the first option, Oracle install base, and hit the open button. Okay, and here I'm gonna query it by the sales order number. You've got multiple choices here, like you can query by the sales order number, you can query by the contract number, or if at all item is serial controlled, you can query by the serial number and so on. So let's query by the sales order number. Here I'm going to paste my sales order number and hit the go button, and as you could see, it details all the component items within Envoy Deluxe laptop which are covered as a part of your standard warranty as well as the extended warranty that you have just sold. So let's go to the main BOM, which is nothing but the Envoy Deluxe laptop, and hit the go button. And here you can see the details of the parties which are covered as a part of the service contract. So you can see the first party is the customer name over here, and then you can see the associated contracts over here by going to the contract sublink, and look at that. So that's the extended warranty that you have sold with this particular sales order and which is associated with this particular item. Okay, so if you click on this particular contract, it's gonna open the contract details, but since the user doesn't have privileges to view the contract from install base, you're getting this message. But again, this is something which I have shown you a little while ago. So let's go back, and here you can also see any associated service request which has been raised by your internal support representative as a part of iSupport module, which is linked to this particular instance of the item. Okay, and then you can see the associated operating units which are sold for this item. So currently we have sold it only from Vision Operations, hence it is simply listing it as sold from Vision Operations. So that's in a nutshell how one can use Oracle service contracts in different business scenarios.